Hey buddy, Thomas here. Today's been a busy day already. My dad's been in town. We poured some concrete. Hopefully I'll have that little video up. Nothing major. It was just about 3.5 yards of concrete. But we got it done. My shop's gonna be awesome for someone else. Alright, so today also, I had recently posted a Facebook Marketplace ad because we were getting close to moving. I usually don't do Facebook Marketplace because there's just too many requests if I post something. But I'm glad I did because I met some really cool people today. We had a couple people come by, but one of the guys came by. Him and his wife are opening up a butcher shop down in Hurley or something like that. And they bought a piece of black walnut, but they also needed a few other pieces where they can have like their cash register and stuff like that. This pine right here will work out perfectly. The bottom slab, I'm gonna cut these in 3 inches. So I got 3 slabs we're gonna cut out of this. The top one's at 21 inches. The next one down's at 26. And next one down from there is at 30 inches. So some pretty big slabs. They're gonna take 2 of these slabs and kind of make an L-shaped table and then have like the black walnut also in there to do a shelf. Now, he also wants these squared up because the table that we're gonna make it with is gonna be 1 solid slab at 3 inches. So we're gonna go for max width we can get. I think it's gonna be really pretty. I didn't do a video on the first time I cut this pine, but it has some really cool colors in there. I mean, check that out. I like when you get the bluing and stuff in pine. I just swapped blades. The blade I had on there beforehand, I had actually hit a nail, but I was like, let me go ahead and give it a go. One last cut, so I had to cut off a 1/2 inch piece off this to get a 3 inch on the 3 inch scale. We'll go from there. So I'm gonna throw in a time lapse. I'm hoping and praying that my battery will last because I've also filmed a few other films today or videos. So stay tuned. Short little video. But I also want to show the customer the process of how this is all cut up. Thanks. Folks, there you have that. My dad's taking off the slab that I'm going to keep over there. I'm going to work on that slab. I think I can make something really cool out of that. So after squaring these up, we came out to just over 23.5 inches at 3 inches thick. I think these are going to be very nice. I'm going to, as soon as he gets back over the tractor, we'll take these off so you can see the bluing that's on the inside. Because this part right here, this has been in the sunlight and everything. It doesn't show the beauty that is within. We are going to show you the beauty that is within. So Timber King 2000 did great. You know, the old blade I had on there was kind of struggling, but this one right here, it just blew through this no problem. Each of the cuts were pretty quick and very clean. I didn't see any movement whatsoever. On the side right here, you can already tell there's gonna be some bluing in here. And the knots, I guarantee you we're gonna have some really cool figure in this section. I just cannot wait. So let's go ahead and get these off with the tractor and see what we have on the inside. But I think the customers are gonna be really happy because, and those are some, I mean, who's gonna have single slab pine countertops at counter depth length or width, excuse me. Not very many people. So pretty cool. That's pretty beefy. I mean, hell, you could probably hang a 350 Chevy engine on that. Yeah, Daniel's over here, but stay tuned, we'll be right there. Okay folks, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and do the reveal with some water on here. Got the kids in the background and everything, so this is gonna be fun. They're gonna run. Oh, he's got some Mentos. We're gonna run from the water. So let's see what this looks like. Go ahead, get some of the sawdust off of here. I gotta save my water because I had to carry this over by the house to here. Yeah, there's water there. Alright, now let's go ahead and do one more. Ew, nasty. Nasty. All right, here we go. It's not poop. That's water, that's right. All right. Let's go ahead and get this out. I know that's windy and everything. How's that though? How's that? That looks pretty good. Very happy with this turned out. Really neat bluing effect going on here. Again, 3 inches thick. And going in a butcher shop like my dad was saying. And yeah. I think that's pretty cool. Almost fell off my trailer. I think that's pretty cool right there. So again, please like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy stuff like this, and hope the customer enjoys this. Thanks.